Hey guys, welcome to another weekly gold XAU price prediction and analysis video. In this video, we are going to analyze gold chart with the help of various strategies like price action trading and with the help of the data like COT report and footprint chart, so that we can get a overview about the levels that currently gold is falling, so that we can utilize those levels in upcoming trading sessions. So we will start with the latest COT report. So this is the latest COT report that we have, and I already shared a copy of this COT report in the Telegram channel in morning. And if you are following me in my recent prediction videos, you already know that we generally look for the positions of managed money. And as you can see, this is the 3-month period chart, and we already discussed this many time in previous videos. And this time, if you look into their change in positions, you can clearly see that previously they continuously covering their long position. As you can see, this one, the blue bar, these blue bars, these one, they are the long position, and from this particular week they continuously covering their long. But this time, for this current week, they paused this covering, or you can say they stop reducing their long, and this time they added into their longs. So they are now, let me show you the positions, or you can say the change in positions for this week. If we look into the change in position column, so you can see in the long, if we look, this time they added in the long. So this time they added a big number, that is 14808, and they are still holding their short, or you can say they are adding in the short. So those who are confused and those who are not able to get a view from the data, I have prepared a Excel sheet. You can refer that data, or you can refer that view. So this is the scenario that you can or you can use, or you can apply by looking at the COT number. So if they add in the longs and they add in the short, so this generate no clear view. This mean we have no clear view from the COT. Also, if they cover their long and also cover their short, so that also indicate no clear view. But if they add into shorts and they cover their long, that is a bearish indication. And if they add in the long and they start covering their short, that is a bullish indication. So this time you can see from the change in position that they are adding in the long and they also adding in the short. So as per the latest COT report, we have no clear view this time, but the number play a big role. What it mean? If we look at the numbers, this time they added a big positions, or you can say big numbers in the longs. So they added a good quantity. So the impact, we can expect a good impact of these number on chart. So as per overall sentiment from the COT, we can expect that price may see higher level, and we already seen this in Friday trading session. So in Friday trading session, and due to the impact of data from NFP numbers, this was the data. So after the NFP number, we have seen a good bullish move from the chart. If we check it on chart, this was a good bullish move. I already said this chart that we can expect a rise of price from here to here, and gold followed the same. And now what are the levels that we have to look for? Let's discuss those levels. So if we check it on 4-hour time frame, I already said this chart many time in a Telegram channel. You can see that the most important resistance zone is this one, around 1930 to 35, and on 4-hour you can see the price is rejecting this zone, and this is a very important zone. You can see previously we have seen multiple rejection, and before that this zone was a good support, you can see. So to go bullish, price need to break above this zone, then we can look for buy opportunities. And in the bottom side we already discussed that 1910 is a good support level, and price is not able to break below that level. As let me show you on the chart. So as you can see right over here, we have seen some consolidation on 30-minute, and price a break above the daily pivot, and we have seen a good bullish run. Data also help the bulls to get momentum, and we have seen a good bullish move from Friday trading session. So for an upcoming week, what we have to look for, we have to look how price going to react on this zone. If price is able to break, then we are going to look for the buy opportunities only. Also we have to look for this trend line, as this is a resistance trend line, so we have to wait it to break, and on retest I think that is a good opportunity for buy toward the higher levels. In higher level I'll show you resistance area on footprint chart. So in the bottom side we have this green trend line, as you can see. So currently we are under this area, so this is not a good way to enter in the buy. So we have to wait either it to break above this, or we have to look for it to retest the recent bullish move that started from here. Let me show you. So in the bottom side we have to wait it to test this area, because we have seen good rejection from this pivot level, and it lies around 1915. So if price able to test this and reject this area, then this is a good buy opportunity for us, then we can look for buy. But if price is breakdown, then price might go down. So these are the price action zone that we have to look for carefully in upcoming trading sessions. Also this is the weekly chart. As you can see, on weekly you can see we have two almost, you can say, flat weeks, and this is a very small body candle on weekly. So on weekly this is indecisive, we can say, and it is supported by this trend line. So in upcoming week we can expect that price may rise from here if price is able to hold this recent week low, but if breakdown, then decline possible. Okay, so these are the levels and these are the structure that we can follow, and the levels and the important levels, let me show you. Also let me show you chart on footprint. So as you can see, this is the 5-minute candle, and this is, if you can check the time, it is of 17:55. So these were the high imbalance area, you can clearly see. These were the imbalance, bullish imbalance generated during the Friday trading session. So we can say this is a good support now, and that is easily indicating on our chart on 17:15, right on this candle, this one right over here that I already discussed. So level of 1915 is a good support. If price is able to hold, then we can look for buy opportunities. So in the higher side, what we have to target and what we have to look for carefully, let me show you on OI change. So let it to load. If we go into the heat map, and if we select gold from here, so the important resistance level in the upside is of course this one, 1950, and 1930 also a resistance area. We already seen that. So in if gold able to break above this, then we can target 1950. Okay, in the bottom side 1910 is a good support level, and of course 1900 is a psychological level, and bears tested this two times and they are not able to break down this level. So these are the good support level. In the upside we have to look for 1930, 1950 as a resistance area. Also, if we look at the current PCR ratio summary for the current week, you can see for the nearest expiry, this is the PCR ratio 0.56, and this is currently looking somewhat bullish. Okay, so we can't look for sell until it break down the recent imbalance print that I already discussed. Also, if we look on the intraday level, I already shared, but let me show you. As you can see, current price is closing near to CPR range. So for intraday, like for scalping, let it to go above this CPR range or above 1925, because 1925 is a quarters theory level. So if price is able to trade above that, then we can look for buy opportunities, and below that we can look for sell opportunities. So these are the level and those are the scenario that we have to look for. So we are going to discuss these levels in detail in Telegram channel. So see you there. Thank you.